What's this? You ready? You ready? Are you ready? Go get him! Is that for me? Alright. Go get him. Is that for me? Is that for Mama? Yeah? Okay. Go get it. You gonna bring him? For Mama? Thank you, baby. Thank you, baby.
That's right. These rockets had power of plenty.
Are you waiting for Mommy? Can I have it?
No responsibility. Or not. So we make a big bomb instead of a rocket.
Look at you. You waiting for me to throw him again? Alright.
Turns out there was a glitch, which meant the thrust couldn't escape fast enough, and that meant the most epic of epic failures in the history of Mythbusters, and one of the most spectacular explosions ever.
With power defied by a menacing mishap,
Go get him.
#1 priority: safety.
People often assume that explosions are the most dangerous thing to
Oh,
do on our show.
Mommy doesn't get him yet?
In fact,
Mommy doesn't get him. Where are you going with him, Goofy? Come here. Come here. Now I get him. Now I get him. Now I get him. You are a good boy.
In a scene that's never aired until now.
Alright, I'm gonna start feeling it.
Thank you, Boo. Oh, no, not yet. Okay.
Knowing that one small spark could spell disaster.
You're such a good boy.